Alright, so I am excited to talk about the Bloom airdrop right here, the Bloom crypto right now. So we are going to be getting some information and this in this particular video before the end, right? So first thing first, let's go ahead to a update I actually saw, which I think we need to clarify in this particular video right here. So if you are just joining to this channel, thank you for coming, and if you are joining before, if you have been joining, thank you so much. I actually add to you, and thank you so much for always watching this particular video and giving a like. Thank you for doing that also right now. So at the end of this particular video, if you think you need to subscribe, please do feel to subscribe when you decide on your own. All right, so let's go ahead into the video right here. So if you scroll down on this particular end, you are going to see about 3 hours ago there was an update that came up that said riding the crypto or the telegram thereof, we are not, that's just like a, what they call it, a radio broadcast or something that they want to do on the telegram. So you can join that later. So the focus I want us to talk about is this particular one that says ending on Friday. You can see ending on Friday at this particular site. So if you're actually getting this to mix up, this is actually not that the project is ending on Friday. What this is talking about is the dog showing in the drop game is actually ending on Friday, and this is what we need to know right now. So let's talk about the price analysis of this particular project, and I know this particular point is going to be interesting to us. All right, let me go straight to my coin market cap right now. So on my coin market cap, right, I actually like open up this right here. So you can see we're actually having about 0.0076 to be a prediction for this particular project, right? So let's assume by now you should know the amount you are going to be getting if you actually have this. So let's assume right here at least you are currently having about 50, right? So let's say 0.007, let's say 7, yes, multiply by 50,000 worth of dog. So okay, this is more than 50. Let me just cancel. All right, so this is 50, right? So it's equal to, this is about $35,000, 350,000 USDT right here. So this is what I'm thinking that might actually be, right? So this is how it is if it is like this, but we currently do not know if the Bloom actually going to be cutting off some of the price, just like the way other projects are actually doing. But the way Dog actually did theirs, Dog actually did not cut off anything. It's the same amount you have that was allocated to you right here. And we can see Bloom is currently partnering, like a little partner with Dog, with the way they actually did the drop game for the active member right now. So that is something I think it is going to be right here. So let's assume I'm having 100. All right, so let me try again. If I see 0.005, let's say 0.005 is the actual price they are going to be listing, and let's say 100 worth of Bloom, so that is about 500 right here. So let's assume they are going to be listing between 0.005 and 0.007 thereabout. So if you actually could accumulate up to 1,000 worth of this, you are going to be getting some amount of profit right here. So if you want to check out this also, let me refresh this particular page so you can see that it is actually the real one right here. So this is a refresh page right here. You can see it just been loaded and just been refreshed. So in the last 24 hours, this is how the market has actually been on this.